Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you what is child theme and how you can create one. So first of all, let's see why we need a child theme. Changes in parent theme are lost when the theme is updated, like if you make some changes in the CSS style sheet or if you add any custom code to the parent theme, then when you will update the parent theme, all the changes will be lost. For that purpose we need a child theme. In most of the modern themes, when you go to this customizer button, and here when you scroll down and go to additional CSS, here you see this CSS option where you can add the custom CSS, and the changes to this additional CSS are not lost when the parent theme is updated. So why do we still need child theme? So that's because when you will need to make some changes in the custom PHP code in your parent theme, then you should use child theme for that, because when you will add some custom PHP code to your theme file editor, then the changes to that will be lost when you update the theme. So that's why we still need child themes. So basically you are inheriting the parent theme, you are using all of its functionalities, and you are then enhancing the parent theme using the child theme while maintaining your website. So let's see how to create a child theme easily. So for that we can go to the dashboard, and here you can install a new plugin, and here we will write child theme, and this is the first plugin, Child Theme Configurator. It has 300,000 of active installations. So you can just install this plugin, activate, and you need to make sure that you have the parent theme installed for which you want to create a child theme. So here you can see I have the Astra theme, which is a free theme, and you can install any free theme or paid theme. We will cover everything you need to know. So once you have installed the plugin, go to tools and go to child themes, and here we can configure a child theme. So here you need to select the theme for which you want to create the child theme. So I want to create the child theme for Astra, so I will select that and click analyze, and here you can see this theme appears okay to use as a child theme, so that's good. And here is the theme directory, we can keep it same, and here is the primary style sheet. So when you will add any code to the style sheet, then it will replace the existing values from the parent theme, so that's good, we can use that. And here you can select this first option, use the WordPress style queue. This is the best option, you can use this. And here we can scroll down, and here we need to change some values, and here you can write the child theme name. So maybe we can write our own name or anything that we want. And here is the theme website, you can change it as you like. So when someone will try to detect the theme, then they will not be able to know that whether it's an Astra theme or something. So most of users prefer to hide the theme name when using child theme, so no one will know what theme is it. So if anyone will like to copy your website, then they will not know your theme, so that's good. We can write the name over here, we can change the author website as well, and theme description we can change it, child theme, you can just say that, or you can write anything that you want. Scroll down, and here you can maybe remove these tags, and version we can make it like 1.0, so we can keep it like that. So this is the option, you can make sure you tick mark this so you get the menus and widgets and other customizer settings from the parent theme, so your website design will not change. So we can click on create new child theme. So here you can see that the child theme is created, and now here you can also make changes to the existing settings in the child theme. So maybe you can just go to files, and if you want to make in any of these files from the parent theme, then you can just check mark this. For example, if we need header.php, so we can add some head tags, and here you can click on copy selected to child theme, so we can just check mark that. And here you can see we can also change this theme screenshot that appears when we go to the appearance and themes, so we can change this screenshot as well, so we don't need to change that currently. And now let's go to the appearance and go to themes. So here you can see new theme, we can activate it, and here you can see. So now let's go to the website, you can see we are still seeing the parent theme. So that's good. We can now go to the theme file editor, and here you can see we have the style sheet over here, and we can write any custom CSS code over here, and the CSS code that we write over here, the values will be overwritten in the parent theme, so that we will be making changes to the parent theme indirectly, and when we will update the theme, then none of our changes will be lost. And similarly for functions.php, we can go to this file and we can add our own custom PHP code in the child theme, and those changes will be applied to our website, and when we will update the theme, none of our changes will be lost. And here we have the header.php file that we selected, and we can add any kind of head tag over here like we use for the Google Analytics or Facebook Metapixel. So those tags you can just add them over here without facing any kind of issue. And if you need any more files over here that you want to edit from the parent theme, then you can just go to tools and go to child themes, and here you will go to files, and here you can select the file and just click copy selected to child theme, and those file will be added. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment about your opinions and thoughts, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.